What's up guys, Mike here. So on today's video, we are installing the Smart Moto AIS block-off kit. So these secondary air filters. Which helps burn off unburnt fuel in the exhaust line. It's what causes a lot of popping on diesel, on aftermarket cans if you haven't tuned the bike or put on a air fuel management. And that is it for the AIS system. It's all connected. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next video.